It's a Well-Tech lift kit on this one. Hi, Hank. Here's the convoy. This one's action van suspension right here. There's a Well-Tech behind it. Yeah, buddy. It's a Well-Tech right there. That's a 4x4 GM right there. Yeah, buddy. Fantasy TV. There's Fantasy TV. Right there. Bigfoot 4x4. Bigfoot 4x4. Yeah, buddy. Action van suspension. Right there, action van. DIY 4x4, two-wheel drive right now. America. Yeah. And there's the man, Mr. Action Van Suspension Larry. The OG. Yeah, buddy. Subscribe to our YouTube.
Thank you.
Follow him on Instagram.
I promise I'll make good content.
You got good content here.
Yeah, I do.
How cool is this? And this is just half of us.
So cool.
Half of us had to leave.
Cool Kids Club.
That was gnarly. Slick Rick always behind me. Slick Rick's always driving behind me. I love it.